Today I'm cooking stir-fry bok choy with pork belly. It's crunchy, sweet and very savory. This recipe is for 4 servings. The ingredients needed are 550 grams of bok choy, 170 grams of pork belly, sliced thinly, 100 grams of firm tofu, sliced thinly, 20 ml of water, 2 tablespoons of garlic oil, 1 tablespoon of crispy fried garlic, half teaspoon of sesame oil, 1 teaspoon of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, half teaspoon of salt, and half tablespoon of tapioca flour. The full list of ingredients is in the See More link. First, make the tapioca flour slurry. Add 20 ml of water to the tapioca flour and mix until well combined. Alright, set aside. Next, marinate the pork slices with all the salt. Rub to evenly distribute it. Alright, set it aside. Then, prepare the bok choy. Remove the base of the stem and cut to separate the stem and the leaves just below the leaves. Cut the leaves into half again and separate them from the stem. Cut the bok choy stem into quarters and set aside. Repeat for the rest of the bok choy vegetable until complete. Alright, it is done. Give them a wash and set aside. Switch on the heat to medium, add the garlic oil and let it heat up for 1 minute. Then add all the pork slices, spread them evenly around the pan. Fry for 4.5 minutes or until some of the oil has been released and the flesh is brown around the edges. Flip them every minute so they cook evenly in both sides. After 4.5 minutes, a lot of oil has been released and the slices are beginning to turn brown. Remove them from the pan and set aside. Next, add in the tofu slices. Spread them around the pan. Turning them occasionally, this allows the tofu to absorb some of the pork and garlic flavor. Let them fry for about 1.5 minutes. After 1.5 minutes, the tofu slices are well cooked. Remove them from the pan and set aside with the pork slices. In the same pan, add all the washed bok choy stem. Be careful of the oil splashes. Stir to coat them evenly with the pork and garlic oil. Then, add the sesame oil, light soy sauce, oyster sauce. Stir it again to evenly mix the seasoning. Let the bok choy stem simmer for about 4 minutes for a nice crunchy texture. If tender bok choy stems are preferred, simmer for about 6 minutes. Stir occasionally to prevent burning at the bottom of the pan. After 4 minutes, the bok choy is cooked and has softened a little bit. Add in all the bok choy's leaf. Stir to evenly distribute the heat and gravy. This will take about 1.5 minutes. After 1.5 minutes, the bok choy is well cooked and soft. Give the gravy a taste. Perfect. More seasoning can be added as preferred, but for this, it's already delicious. Pour the tapioca flour mix and give it a couple of stir to thicken the gravy. Switch off the heat. Add the pork and tofu slices. Stir to evenly distribute them. Now we can dish out our stir-fry bok choy with pork belly. Garnish with half of the crispy fried garlic and serve together with the rest of the condiment. Let's eat! Wow, so delicious! The bok choy is sweet, crunchy and tasty. The pork slices is very tender and savory. This dish will be perfect with some rice or on its own. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed this video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye!